I bet you didn't know how easy it is to get max results in minutes. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're sharing 5 quick gym tips to make your workouts more effective, all in under 5 minutes. No wasted time, no wasted effort, just pure results. These tips are based on science and years of experience, and the best part is they're incredibly easy to implement. So let's jump right in and discover the secrets to unlocking your full fitness potential. And remember, progress makes passion. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of a killer workout, the warm-up. Think of your muscles like a cold engine on a freezing morning. You wouldn't just slam the gas pedal and go from 0 to 60 in a second, right? A proper warm-up increases blood flow, raises your core temperature, and improves your range of motion, drastically reducing your risk of injury. Plus, when your muscles are properly warmed up, they're primed for action, ready to fire on all cylinders. We're talking about 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, like jogging on the treadmill or jumping jacks, followed by some dynamic stretches. So remember, a proper warm-up is like setting the stage for an epic performance. Don't skip it. Now, let's talk about form. Proper form is crucial for maximizing your results and preventing injuries. It's not just about lifting the heaviest weight possible, it's about performing each exercise with precision and control. Proper form ensures that you're targeting the right muscle groups, maximizing muscle activation, and getting the most out of every rep. When you perform an exercise with correct form, you force your muscles to work harder, leading to better muscle growth and strength gains. More importantly, using proper form significantly reduces your risk of injury. So, how do you know if your form is on point? Check yourself in the mirror and make adjustments as needed. Don't be afraid to start with lighter weights until you've mastered the movement pattern. Remember, when it comes to building a strong, muscular, and injury-free physique, form is king. Now, let's dive into the realm of efficiency and talk about compound exercises. These are your secret weapon for maximizing your gym time and igniting your metabolism. Compound exercises are movements that work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously, as opposed to isolation exercises. Think of exercises like squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, and push-ups. These engage multiple muscle groups, giving you the biggest bang for your buck in terms of calorie burn, muscle activation, and overall strength gains. By incorporating compound exercises into your routine, you can effectively work your entire body in a shorter amount of time. Not only do compound exercises save you time, but they also tend to burn more calories than isolation exercises. Incorporate them into your routine and watch your results skyrocket. All right, let's talk about something that's absolutely essential for both your performance and your overall health: hydration. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for maintaining optimal bodily functions, especially during intense workouts. Water plays a vital role in regulating your body temperature, transporting nutrients, lubricating your joints, and even aiding in muscle contraction. When you're dehydrated, your performance takes a nosedive. On the other hand, when you're properly hydrated, you'll notice a significant difference in your energy levels, endurance, and overall performance. So, how much water should you be drinking? A good rule of thumb is to aim for half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. Make it a habit to sip on water consistently throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Remember, staying hydrated is like giving your body the fuel it needs to perform at its best. All right, we're at the home stretch, but don't even think about skipping out before completing the final step, the cool down and stretch. This is the moment where you transition from beast mode to recovery mode, and it's just as crucial as the workout itself. Think of your cool down as a gradual transition from a high-intensity state back to a resting state. It's like slowly bringing a car to a stop, rather than slamming on the brakes. This helps your body adjust and prevents any sudden shocks to your system. During your cool down, your heart rate and breathing slowly return to normal, while your muscles begin to relax and repair themselves. This process is essential for reducing the risk of dizziness or fainting, which can occur if you stop too abruptly. Stretching after your workout is equally important for improving flexibility, reducing muscle soreness, and preventing injuries. It helps to elongate the muscles that have been contracted and tightened during your workout, making them more pliable and less prone to strains. A good cool down should consist of 5-10 minutes of light cardio, such as walking on the treadmill or cycling at a low resistance. This light activity helps to gradually lower your heart rate and keeps the blood flowing to your muscles, aiding in the removal of metabolic waste products like lactic acid. Follow your cardio with some static stretches, holding each stretch for 60 seconds. Static stretching involves holding a stretch without movement, which helps to increase the length of the muscle and improve overall flexibility. Focus on the major muscle groups you worked during your workout, such as your quads, hamstrings, chest, back, and shoulders. These are the areas that have taken the brunt of your exercise and need the most attention to recover properly. By taking the time to properly cool down and stretch, you're allowing your muscles to recover more effectively, so you can come back stronger and ready to crush your next training session. Remember, recovery is where the magic happens. It's during this time that your muscles repair and grow, making you more resilient and prepared for future challenges. So, treat your cool down with the same respect and dedication as your workout, and you'll see the benefits in no time. So there you have it, 5 simple yet incredibly effective tips to take your workouts to the next level. Remember, it's not about spending hours in the gym, it's about making every minute count. Try incorporating these tips into your gym routine and let us know in the comments which one makes the biggest difference for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness tips.